Yeah. I know we just signed the deal, but I need my advance on the next one too. They know I'm gonna be real. Yeah. I need it. Metro Boomin want some more. Cause I got a really big team. And they need some really big rings. They need some really nice things.
Hey, Dripcess. Sorry, y'all. Sorry. Okay, I'm in the car with like my mom and everybody, and this is like my first time actually doing my intro in front of them. Anyway, hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers, welcome. I'm Dripcess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, take no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down.
So today, we're gonna be basically preparing for Nashville. As you can see by the title, I don't know how to explain to them why we're going to Nashville. Basically a church convention, you know what I'm saying? But we still gonna be living life. If you didn't know, I am a Christian. If you didn't know that.
I am a sinner.
It's one of the biggest church conventions. Everybody's gonna be coming everywhere from the house of God. And not even only from the house of God, but yeah. So we're preparing for that and we're going there the 20th. My mom is driving and we're gonna go get our nails done and our toes done.
I found the street with a house in which she stayed. I'm a stories put every name on every page. Cause I read to where you thought enough for me. I'll try again one day you'll see. Your hands under my pillow so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you, the music on my feet. Obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. Tell me what you taste, do you like them just for me? Do you like them just for me? I'm fading on my knees. It's so much that I need. I've ordered you today, everything like oh.
Hey y'all, so I just got my nails done and they're so cute. I got my toes done too, you know, we just got the white on the toes. My mom just went inside Maria's mom bought same old me a hoagie. My sister's there, chicken fingers and fries. We just need my hair done because I'm looking like the guy from the Boondocks. That's what I'm looking like. I'm not liking it, but yeah, mom's here with the food. Okay, so y'all, ew, my mask. But we're heading to Burlington Coat Factory right now. If y'all can see, y'all can't really see that. But yeah, we're heading to Burlington Coat Factory because we need to get some stuff. Well, my mom is looking for jewelry and my sister, she needs to get dresses. I might look for something too. Not gonna need it, but I'm gonna still look. Okay, so y'all, I'm getting these heels. These heels are really, really cute. We left Burlington Coat Factory. Bow. Back home for getting my nails done. I really like my nails. Do y'all hear it clacking? Like, please. You want to get snappy? But anyway, my nails are really, really cute. I really like them. You know, I like them. I need to find my outfits that I want to wear out there. I have a couple of pieces that I want to wear out there that I never wore. I never took pictures in. None of that. Plus, Nashville is mad hot. I definitely get darker from being out there, so it's gonna be really, really fun. And I'm really glad I'm vlogging this experience. But yeah, so in this video, really, you're just gonna see me like prep for it. Nails, hair. It's time for me to get my hair done. I get my hair done Tuesday. I bought the stuff that I need for my hair and that I want to put in my hair. We're getting ready to go to Walmart because we need to get stuff from there. We need tank tops and I need to get this lotion and I need this stuff for my face too. We need a lot from there and it's raining mad hard outside. Oh gosh, I'm taking out my hair today too. It's not giving. It's not there. Like the effect that it was before, it's not there.
When I'm thinking about you, no, I've been thinking about you, no.
So y'all, we're just looking. I got my tank tops and I saw this really cute t-shirt dress and I'm getting that here.
I know that I hurt you.
Yeah.
I was a child trying to be a man.
To all my sons worldwide, all my juniors, I apologize for my absence. I know I left you without a name to drop.
I'm standing right here.
I don't know how I expected you to get your clout up and get your money up, but don't worry. Daddy's home.
And I know I missed so much of your life.
Turn me up. Yeah. Niggas know they need to stop. Now I'm standing at the top. That's how I know you never seen the top. Sierra King parking lot, looking like Magic City parking lot. Hear the talks when I walk by, like you know it's so funny. Hey, drop. Yeah, and I'm coming with the wop. Y'all niggas not popping. Fuck it, then she going shopping. Well, I'm running out of ops.
We just made it home. It is raining mad hard out there. I see y'all Tuesday most likely. Hey y'all, so I just came back home from school. Today is my hair appointment. As you can see, my hair, I took it out. I actually took it out this morning. I woke up at like 4 in the morning to take out my hair. I did not feel like taking out my hair that Sunday when I told y'all that I was gonna take out my hair. I didn't feel like doing that. I didn't. So I went to school. Ooh, this is my fit. Black beater, denim skirt, small Talesha. I also wore my medium-sized Talesha. Like I said, please don't worry about my room. I was finding an outfit this morning, like, oh, you know what I'm saying?
With a good girl, do a beat, do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. One roll with a good girl. One time, this is a song.
Today is actually Wednesday, June 15th. Yesterday I got my hair done, but I came home like around, well, let me see, because I recorded it on my spam. If you follow me on my spam, you know I was there mad long. But it was worth it, as you can see, like, hold on, it was worth it. Okay, so I was there until 3 in the morning. Got home around like 3:30. And I didn't even go to bed for real. When I came home, I didn't even go straight to bed. I went to the bathroom, did TikToks, take pictures, got a little sleep, and then called it a day. I did not want to come on camera, you know, being like half tired, even though I did take pictures and TikToks. Those are just pictures and TikToks, you know what I'm saying? But like coming and talking to y'all, I didn't want to talk to y'all while being like tired. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Hopefully you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But this is my hair. It's giving very much island girl. That's what I wanted it to give. My hairstylist did her thing. She always does her thing. You know what I'm saying? But like, this is my favorite hairstyle. Hands down. I told her this. This is my favorite hairstyle. She liked the hairstyle. I like the hairstyle. It's just everything for me. Do y'all see the little seashell? Please don't play with me, but yeah, this is my hair. It's very cute. I just wanted to show you my hair and like what's happening. So all I need to do now is pack. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm excited, but yeah, so I need to pack my stuff. And right now it's just 9:52. And yeah, I just wanted to like come in and give y'all a little update or whatever. But yeah, y'all should follow me on my spam because you really get the behind the scenes on there. Like, what does it say? Let me show you. It says behind the scenes. Follow me on my spam. I don't really accept a lot of people, but if you coming from YouTube, text me and be like you coming from YouTube and I'm gonna accept you. And 4 more days and then we out of here. And then we out of Jersey. Bye bye. Toodles. Deuces. I am packing, as you can see by my room. I'm packing. I did do a little packing yesterday, but today we gotta get it done and over with because tomorrow we're out of here. We out of Jersey. In this bag, I'm bringing this bag. I'm gonna try to fit all my Telfar bags in there and my Marc Jacob bag because my mom doesn't want me to put it in a suitcase. Okay, so we packed some of her stuff. This is my bag. Y'all see my Telfar blue bag? That's my carry-on bag. And then I'm bringing this bag. This is my purse, as you can see. Going upstairs now because I need to shave. So this is all a part of the preparation, y'all. I need to shave. Y'all know I already got my hair done. I got my nails done, so we don't need to do that. We need to shave. You don't even try to love you and remind you of everything that you done. So y'all, I'm outside because I I lost my phone, my second phone that I actually used to record YouTube videos, right? Came outside and I checked my mom's car. I guess where was that? In the car. I found my phone. It was in the car on the floor. So got out the shower, shaved, everything like that, did everything that I need to do. I'm so excited. Tomorrow we are leaving. Hope y'all enjoyed this little preparation. If you did enjoy, please make sure you leave a thumbs up. Like this video, comment down below some more video ideas. Stay tuned for when we go out there. Stay tuned for that. And I'll see you in the next YouTube video.